Hey guys, we got a Murray 20-inch Briggs and Stratton lawnmower here. Here's the serial product number and stuff. So it looks like it's a 1996. Okay, so we're gonna do a cold start, and I'm gonna show you a trick here on how to start some of these if the primer is not working very good. Okay, so what you need to do, this one hasn't been started for 10 months, and it's about 3 Celsius right now. There's still snow on it. So the trick is, when you're priming it, this one has like a problem. It's going very slow. So if you tilt it forward like this, it's gonna put more fuel into the thing, and you're gonna hear it pumping. Because if your bulb is not working properly. So you gotta wait till you hear it pumping fuel. This is a 4 horsepower Murray with the Briggs and Stratton. So I'm just waiting for the bulb to pop back out. Make sure you got a lot of fuel. So I can hear something happening now. Yeah, there you go. You got a little more. So you're trying to build a vacuum or something here, so the fuel starts pumping. I could definitely hear it right now. Okay guys, thanks for watching. For this one, you might have to adjust the spring right here. Because this one is not getting enough fuel. But I already put like a different spring in there. And so it is actually running, but I don't really use this one. Okay, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.